Earning an extra $500 a month is definitely within your reach. All it takes is knowing the right side hustles you can explore that'll allow you to share your skill sets and get paid for it. The idea of starting a side business is to, well, build it on the side. You're building it in your spare time. So setting aside designated time each week to work on your business will allow you to actually grow and be profitable. Remember, guys, the goal is not to have your side hustle turn into another dreaded task on your to-do list in addition to your day job. So stick with me as I take you through just a few ways you can make an extra $500 every single month. The first thing is you can start by renting out your personal items or your space. If you own a car, you can rent it out through apps like Turo, HireCar, and Hagerty DriveShare. Think of these services as being like an Airbnb, but with your car. Renting out your car might be one of the best side hustles for you if you don't need to use your vehicle all the time, or even if you have multiple cars. The amount that you'll make renting out your car just really depends on the value of it. A fully paid off car will earn you more money than one that you're still making payments on. And of course, a more exotic or luxury car will allow you to charge premiums for other drivers to use it. And don't worry, these services typically offer insurances to cover damages if it happened. Aside from that, you might want to think about putting your house or an extra bedroom on Airbnb, especially if you like the idea of real estate investing, which is becoming extremely popular and preferred due to travelers not wanting or being able to book hotel rooms. Listing a full property is not necessary for you to succeed on Airbnb. You could become a freelancer. A freelancer is someone who offers their services to clients on a project-by-project basis, rather than being employed by a single company on a long-term basis. They typically work in fields like writing, graphic design, programming, consulting, and photography. The earning potential of freelancing varies widely depending on factors such as the individual skill, your experience, and the market demand for their services. Now, since you don't work for anyone, you're free to charge however much you want for your services, and you're free to work with whoever you want. If you're interested in freelancing, check out sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People to Hire. It's a good idea to just go ahead and check out multiple sites and see which one works for you. Affiliate marketing is another option. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways you can generate revenue regardless of what your business is, even if you don't have a business. What affiliate marketing is a business will pay you a commission for bringing customers to them by the means of your own generated marketing. Affiliates use special links or discount codes to track the traffic you generate. If you've ever listened to a podcast episode and you heard the host announce a discount code during a commercial, or you ever been on social media and you saw influencers promoting a product or service, that's pretty much affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Affiliate marketing can be a one-time compensation or a recurring monthly payment, depending on the terms and conditions of your agreement. Affiliate links could be one of the best side hustles for making additional money each month if you're looking for a side business idea that doesn't require you to supply your own good or service and practically costs no money to get started. Having a side business is fun and a fantastic way to increase your monthly income. Do your study and give each potential side business some thought. Then decide which side gig best suits your lifestyle and goals. With any of these ways, you should be able to easily generate $500 a month comfortably. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more. For now, bye.